we finished now. I've walked you through it all right from start to finish, practically anyway. So we dug the base, pile system, put in the base, put the walls up, got the roof on, insulated it, cladded it, plastered it, floored it, TV'd it, interneted it, and everything. Right, we'll have a little walk round. So I'll just shut these doors. They're aluminium, they are bifold. 3 metres, seems to be pretty standard these days. We've got black soffit and fascia with downlights. We've got a PIR light there as well. On this elevation here, the cedar to free elevation. You can see how beautiful it is. I showed you us fitting that as well. If you've not watched us before, it's Oakwood Garden Rooms. Have a look at us and see what we do. We've got a 2-gang double socket there, nice stainless steel finish. On the back here, we have got the metal sheets. We have riveted it on this time because I didn't like the look of them colour caps, so we've got rid of them. We've got a gutter up there, we've got a downpipe as well, and we've also got cedar to this elevation as well. Of course, there's a 1-piece rubber roof on the roof. Fit that as standard as well these days. So the aluminium bifolds, I showed you how to fit them as well. I showed you how to fit them loads of times. I'll just pop them open. John's probably in there sweating now. He's sweating, Johnny, warm?
Cold.
He's cold.
Need some insulation.
So there you go. That's how them doors should operate. If you fit them, I've showed you how to fit them loads of times now. It's quite an easy procedure, nothing to be afraid of. They will glide beautifully like that with one finger. Yeah, okay, so inside we've got a laminate floor. John is finishing the painting to the skirting boards. We've got a 2-kilowatt heater. We've got a range of sockets. One's got USB as well. Over here, we showed you how to do the internet connection in the house. On the next one, we'll show you, we haven't got time today, we'll show you how to do the internet connection there. But basically, we're dropping on this TP-Link router. John, do you want to quickly talk about this? 1 minute, we'll let John have a look.
Don't you want to do it all in one go?
No, go for it now. I'm not editing anymore. Just uploading live.
Right, we use this router. I've chose this router. One, because it's a gigabit router, so it's fast enough to do what we're ever going to need it to do for now. And it has this blue port on it here. We will let you know. In fact, the model number's here. It's an Archer C7 TP-Link. AC1750. We get them on Amazon. But what's good about this router is sometimes when you put another router into the office, it can clash with the router inside the house. So if you use this one, you can plug into the blue port, and which I will show you in a video when we actually do it, and you can go into the settings of the router on your phone and turn it into what you call access point. So all this does then is internet goes into it and it just creates an access point so it doesn't clash with anything.
What I'll do, I'll be the people that ask the questions. So, tell me, John, have you lost any signal strength from the house to here?
Not at all. Basically, what I used to do when people used to say that, because I'm not, an high-educated tech, I just know what I'm doing. I used to do a speed test in the house, right outside of the modem, and if there was on 500 megabytes, I would then plug our router into here, and which I will actually show you on a video, and I would do a speed test on here, even if it was 50, 60 metres away, and I would get the same speed also.
And what about if you run the Cat 6 alongside the steel wide armour, John? Is there interference created?
Not at all. Not at all. I've never seen any. And people talking about the length of the cable. I mean, if you actually know how the internet works and where the cables come from into your house, they actually come from miles and miles away into exchanges to another exchange, and then eventually it ends up to your house. So the length of the cable run's not really a problem. I've never seen a drop of signal. I'm not saying if you went 10 mile away with it that there may be, but for what you're going to do or for what I'm going to do, no, there's not.
So basically what you're saying, in a domestic situation, it's absolutely fine to run the Cat 6 along next to the steel wide armoured.
Absolutely.
There is no signal loss.
No.
No, and no interference created.
No.
And it's a good job.
Yes.
Perfect. There you go. That's your internet sorted. Right, let's talk about this huge TV. It's 75 inches. It's a big one. It's the biggest we've ever fit, isn't it, John? Yes. Yeah. So the customer dropped this on us later in the day rather than when we knew. So we always put a mattress in the wall, yeah? But we didn't know the TV was going to be this big. Then he got the TV, but luckily enough, the mattress was big enough to hold the TV. Then he produced this sound bar, this Sonos sound bar. Now, the issue with that is it needed connecting to the TV, and obviously we don't want to see any wires. So it came with this bracket. Now, Sonos, if you're watching this, you can have this one on me. That one there is just you could see the white wall behind there, but we needed to get these cables through the wall. So what we did, we popped a hole in there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brush face plates. We cut them off and we super glued them in. So that there provides a beautiful little finish, conceals the cables. So like I say, Sonos, if you're watching this, you can have that one on me. Just send me a soundbar and a TV and all's good. So that's it. We've got what else? Oh, we've not electrically tested this yet, as you can see. Tony will be here Monday to connect up and certify that. What, John? Oh, what else to say? No. Right. If you've been taking part in the raffles, I'd like to thank you for the raffles, for taking part. Today it's sold out in, I think it was like 45 minutes, which is absolutely insane. 8,000 tickets, 45 minutes. I have spoke to Raffle about the crappy website, but they've told me that they can deal with thousands of purchases a second, which obviously isn't the case because it does lag a lot. But that's that. John's going to tell you one more thing about...
Well, we both can look.
Go on, I don't know about it, John. John's the IT man on the screen.
We got a couple of questions asking what tools I used, let's take these glasses off, to do the Cat 6. So I'm now going to tell you that I got them off Amazon. I'm now going to tell you the name of them. They are Clean Tools Pass-Through Modular Wired Pliers. They're £54, so they're quite expensive, but they have got, well, at the time I purchased them, and this was 6 months ago, they've got full 5 stars, no negative, 7,148 ratings, and that is a KLEIN Tools Pass-Through Modular Wire Crimper. Well, yeah, I can show you a picture if you want. Look, well, so there, you'll see it in action on the next job. So it's yellow and black. And remember when I spoke about the colours on the pliers as well? So just in case you don't know what to do, just stay there, David, and we'll go to the next. These are to use that. They are the pass-through Ethernet. Remember when I told you the wires come out at the end? They're basically called Cat 6 pass-through connectors, and you need to get those also. And last but least, I also bought some rubbers to go over the end, which not the rubbers you're thinking. And I'll show you the last final thing, which is a fantastic tool. Again, if we have a look at this is near enough it's only got 6-7 rates, but it's 5 stars. It's a Nipex crimping stripping tool, and that's what I use to strip the Cat 6 cable. It does a fantastic job. A gentle little close, turn once around the cable and strip it back, and it doesn't strip anything wrong. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, cool. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for taking part in the raffle. Thanks for watching. That will probably be the last long build we do for a while, and video it, because we're really down on staff now, aren't we? Yeah.
They were just 2 short videos, isn't it?
Yeah. So we'll return back to the little short video format. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.